Did you know if you have finally found your one true love?
Not selfish. To sacrifice a force of nature. Unconditional. Will last forever.
It's a love that you can never forget.
At ang nag-iisang tao na nagpapakumpleto sa buhay.
It knows no boundaries.
一番大切なことはいろんなことを乗り越える強い心。
Ang one true love for him is gagawin lahat para lang sa mahal mo.
Is the one you love forever and ever. Sa akin, ang one true love ko, Kim, isang pag-ibig na binato. Pag tumama kanino man, sabul ka talaga. Yeah.
Everlasting love. Destiny mo talaga siya.
Di mo makalimutan. Talagang nandito forever.
Hanggang sa kabilang buhay.
God.
Ngayong November, sama-sama nating alamin at kilalanin ang tunay na mukha ng natatanging pag-ibig. Together with 3 of today's hottest movie icons, Isa, Ding Dong, Marian. We'll find out that there is really one true love live sa SOP Concert Stage.
Waited all my life for someone like you, someone to give my heart and soul to.
I look into your eyes. Your love for me was such a welcome surprise. I think I'd last I found forever. But what about me? What about me? You were my love before, but I need so much more of you. Time after time I feel I'm losing my mind. Oh, maybe this is what lovers must go through. It never entered my mind we could be wasting our time.
What am I gonna do?
Time after time I'm losing my mind. It never entered my mind we could be wasting our time.
What about me?
Yes, thank you, Marian, Ding Dong, Isa. Siyempre po, ito na ang movie nila at ang premiere night tickets. Siyempre, mamimigay po kami ng maraming sa One True Love. Mamaya, mamimigay pa kami. O, ito muna. Pamimigay ko muna to. Okay, isa muna. Ayan. Tapos mamaya marami pa po. At maririnig na rin natin, ay, nagkagulo na dito sa SOP. Ayan, syempre mamaya po, marami pong official. Syempre, ito po team song po ng pelikulang One True Love. Kakantahin po ng walang iba. One True Love. Hear it from the Asia Songbird when SOP returns.